Hi guys, this is my JavaScript tutorial video. In this video session, we are going to discuss about string object. A string object is a series of characters treated as a single unit. A string may include letters, digits, or various special characters. Coming to the methods of the string. So these are all some of the common methods that we can operate using the string object. Caret index, this method that is used to return the character at the particular index. Char code at the index, that is used to return the character code at the corresponding index. Concatenation of the string, that is used to join the two strings from char code of value 1 value 2, that converts the list of Unicode values into characters to uppercase, that is used to convert the lowercase into the uppercase. To lowercase, that is used to convert the uppercase into the lowercase. To string, that is used to return the same string as the source string. Value of, that is used to return the same string as the source string. Coming to the search methods, these two are the common search methods. Index of method, that is used to find the first occurrence of the character in the string. Last index of the substring comma index, that is used to find the last occurrence of the character in the given substring. Now we will discuss the code for the following methods. Opening the notepad. So we are going to type the code for the string methods. HTML head, title is going to be the character processing methods / title. Script type equal to text or JavaScript. So here comes the two variable strings declarations. S is equals to zebra, S2 is going to be some alphabet characters mixed small and caps. So we are going to print the methods. So here comes the document.write-ln. Character at the index 0. So character at the index 0, the method that is used for that is character of 0. So the character at the index 0 is going to be z, so the result is going to be z. Char code at the index of 0. So we are going to print the code for the index 0. So for the z, we are going to print the character code that will be printed on the screen. So the method that is used for that is s.char code at of 0. String dot from char code of 87, 99, 79, 82, 68. So this method that is used to print the corresponding characters at the following character codes. So next one is converting to the lowercase, s2 dot to lowercase. s2 dot to uppercase, that will convert the alphabets into the uppercase. Index s2 dot index of a, so this is going to find the first occurrence of a. So the first occurrence of a is going to be 0, that is going to be the result of this document.write-ln. s2 dot last index of a, that is used to print the last occurrence of a, that is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last index of a is going to be 8, the result is going to be 8. Now we will copy the file path to the clipboard. In the browser we are going to paste it. So this is the output. The character index of 0 is going to be z, and the character code of the z is going to be 90, and the corresponding characters of the following character code are word. Here comes the lowercase conversion and uppercase conversion, and the index of a is going to be 0, and the last index of a is going to be 8. So this is about the string and their methods. Moving back to the PPT, we are going to discuss the splitting string and obtaining the substring. So how to split a string and obtain the substring in using the string objects. So these are all the some of the methods used for that. Slice start comma end, that is used to return the string containing the portion of the string from the index start through the index end. Split the string, that is used to split the source string into the array of strings. Substring of start comma length, that is used to return the string length characters starting from the index start in the source string. Substring of start comma end, that is used to return the string containing the characters from the index start to but not including the index end in the source string. So this is a substring method. Now we will discuss the code for the splitting string and obtaining the substring using this method. So opening the notepad, going to type the code for the substring and splitting string. HTML head title is going to be split and substring. So here comes the script coding part in the head portion, and in the body part we are going to create a form, and the form that is going to type the sentence which is going to be input from the user, and that input is going to be processed with the help of this JavaScript function. First we will discuss the function part, that is a form part. Form name equal to my form action is going to be space, enter the sentence to split into words. So the user is going to enter the words that is going to be done in the text box. Input name equal to input value, type equal to text, size is going to be 40. After the value is typed in text box, we are going to get print the button. Input name equal to split button, type equal to button, value equal to split. On click the split button pressed. So on clicking the button, that function is going to be called. And the next text box is the sentence split into words is, so the after the splitting of the sentence, that is going to be printed on this screen. Sentence split into words is text area name equal to output, row equal to 8, column equal to 34. The first 10 characters of the input string are input name equal to output substring, type equal to text, size is going to be 15, closing the paragraph and closing the form. So here comes the 3 text boxes. First one for inputting the sentence, and the second one that displays the sentence after splitting, and the third one is used to print the substring. So here is the form that we are containing 3 text box has been created. So on clicking the button, you are going to call the function. So this function is going to be called function split button pressed. Var string is equals to myform dot input value dot value dot split of space. So you are going to split the sentence the user enters with the delimiter as a space. Based on the space, you are going to split in each and every word and store it in the string. So that is what now the splitting is done. And the second line is myform dot output dot value equal to string dot join by backslash n. So by with the help of the backslash n, you are going to print the sentence that has been splitted to the user. And the last one is myform dot output dot substring dot value is going to be, you are going to use myform dot input value dot value dot substring is from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10 you are going to substring, and that value is stored in this output substring dot value, and that is going to be printed on the third text box, for third form text box. Okay guys, now we will copy the file path to the clipboard in the browser. We are going to paste, and that will run the code. Enter the sentence to split. I am going to enter Deepa Lakshmi. I am going to split it. So based on the space as a delimiter, it has been splitted, and the output is printed on this screen, Deepa Lakshmi. Now and the third output, the first 10 substring is going to be Deepa LAKS. So this is the substring part. So this is all about splitting the string and substring the string. Moving back, so that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Watch the next video to continue more scripting. Subscribe, like and share the video.